Hello everyone, if you're getting an exporting error on CapCut, then you have come to the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying exporting error on your CapCut. So first of all, you'll open your CapCut up, open your project, import your video, drag your video down here, and let's say you want to export it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings. You're going to click onto menu here, go into settings, you're going to go into performance, and here you're going to make sure that you untick speed up hardware encoding. So just make sure to untick that and then just click save on here. And after you click on save, now you're going to go ahead and click on export. You're going to render your video now. And now you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying exporting error on CapCut. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.